Microsoft Teams is a persistent chat client, which means that all of your conversation history is stored within the Microsoft Teams app itself. There's no separate place for conversation history. These chats within Microsoft Teams are ongoing conversations. So whenever you start IMing with someone, again, you pick up the conversation where you left off. Let's take a look at some of the control that we have over those chats, the ability to cut down the distraction by muting them, favoriting them so we can get back to them easily, and even leaving conversations. So I've got several chats here in my Microsoft Teams client, and let's say that I want to favorite Morris here. I talk to him a lot, so I want to pin him up to the top so that our conversation is always easy to get to. All I need to do here to pin him to the top is right-click and hit pin, and then now you'll see that Morris stays up at the top. I'll do the same thing for Jim right here. So you'll see that those two are in their own little group at the top for my pinned conversations, my pinned people that I'm talking to. Let's say that Spencer is IMing me a whole lot and I'm trying to get some focus work done, and it's specifically him that's IMing me too much. I can mute a specific chat if I want to, or if there's a lot of chatter in this group chat, I can just right click and hit mute. And then we can also go ahead and mute Spencer. And you'll see right here at the side that the picture for the conversation is actually changed to a little mute icon. So I can see visually that this is a muted conversation. Finally, say that I want to hide a conversation. I want to stop seeing the chat for John Moore right here. I can right click and I can just click hide right there in the middle. And now that chat goes away. Now, if I go in here and I find myself again, it comes back up with the chat where I left off before. So I can still get back to it, still see the conversation, say, hey, John. And then now it shows back up in my chat like it was there before. Now, let's say that I'm a part of a group chat and I want to get out of that group chat. There's a lot of chatter going on, and more than just muting it, I just don't want to see anything from the chat anymore. I can also right click and I can click leave. Whenever I click leave, if that chat continues on without me, it will continue on and I won't be re-added to it unless someone takes action to add me back into that conversation.